more dash cam footage. So check this out. Both lanes turn right. You can see that painted on the lanes there. And the lights up ahead will have both. They both will be 2 right green arrows when it turns green. So it's just about to turn green. Now the people up ahead, they're turning left coming from the other way. And this Cadillac right here decides to make a U-turn. Now, I'm pretty sure he might have a no U-turn sign, but I can't verify that. But either way, we have the right of way. Even if he has a green arrow to turn left, and he's allowed to make a U-turn, usually there'll be a sign on his light that'll say, yield to right turns, coming the other way. But he just cuts all of us off, makes this U-turn, because he has to get into that neighborhood as quickly as possible. Throws me a finger. I don't know if that picks up on the dash cam footage, but just another classic example of people not knowing the rules of the road. So comment below what you think. I mean, me and the other cars, we literally had a green arrow to turn right. I really don't know how you could dispute that. Yes, he also had an arrow, but I got to go back and figure out if he had a no U-turn sign as well at the intersection, because if you have 2 lanes from the way we were coming, both turning right, and he's trying to make a U-turn, that's a very dangerous maneuver. It's going to cause an accident. Anyways, enjoy the footage.